Brandi here, just reminding you, if you're not subscribed, please do. Please subscribe if you enjoy our content. I'm trying to get some new stuff up fairly regularly, so if it's something that you enjoy, subscribe. We'd love if you'd leave us a comment, suggestion, request, good, bad, whatever. Just do it. We like to hear from you guys. Like it. If you like it, thumbs up us. We love the thumbs up. Love it, love it. And the bell next to the subscribe button, ring that. Ring it. Then you'll be notified. Whenever we post new videos, you get a little notification. So convenient technology. And last but not least, share. Sharing is caring. Our channel, really, what it's about this. Bam. Adventure. Period. Make sure the period. That's it. Bye. Hi guys. I feel like the channel was just way too casual. I don't feel like it was enriching anybody's life. I feel like, it was gone off on some tangent, just all about fun, shenanigans. I mean, I don't want to be portrayed as the type of woman who is just all about riding and the desert and the dunes and like, oh, Can-Am. I was just super excited to get out of town. That's not me. I have layers, like an onion, multiple layers, okay? Let's get to business. Let's get serious for a little bit, guys. I'm kidding. I did have to do businessy stuff today, but I'm over it. So, by the power of the movie. That's better. Okay, so, sorry. I know that was super cheesy, but you know what? I don't care. It's Friday. It's been a long day. What I was saying, did I ever finish my... Okay, so I was going to go downtown and take care of some stuff. Day got away from me. I was working on thumbnails and videos and coming up with ideas and hanging out with my kid. Then I couldn't find my driver's license, which I needed to go down there, really. It came in the mail. You would think I would have just stuck it in my wallet, but I didn't. I pulled a Brandi. I didn't know where I put it. That trash can right there? That one? Yeah. I was like, you know what? Is it possible? Oh, look it. Squirrel. No, I'm happy. Anyways, is it possible that when I threw away the mail, I threw away my new driver's license? The answer to that question is yes, it's possible. It's more than possible. It's highly likely. Actually, it's not highly likely. It happened. So I dug it out, found it, got everything together. I was dressed, as you saw earlier, as a business lady. I did do some business lady stuff, talked to a couple people, did some tech support type deals, computering and whatnot. Responded to a couple emails, applied for a couple of jobs, worked on my YouTube stuff. So, it was a good thing I was dressed as a business lady. I felt very professional today. But now, back to the fun stuff. So, I need to record a couple of intro videos for my hubby. I'm going to do that right now. I think I'm going to do... I know I said not until 200 subscribers, the next comment read, but I'm so excited and I want to do it. I love talking to you guys, so don't get mad. So I'm going to stop this now, and then I'm going to get all my stuff together, and then I'm going to read some comments. Oh, and I'm going to say this right now, even though it's going to be the middle of the video. I didn't know, but there's that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Get it, click on that, because then you get reminded when we post a new video. I got lots to say, people. It's not all about writing. Okay, I got all kinds of cool stuff going on. I'm not even going to get into it with you yet until you do that. Hit the bell, ding dong. That's us. All right, I'm back. I'm going to be reading the comments since the last video, the comments that we've received. I know I said 200 subs, but we're almost there, and I want to read them with you guys. I like sharing, and hopefully you guys can see my, I guess emotion is a good word, come through. This to me is surreal. I love it. So let's get started so I don't take forever. I'm a talker, just so you know. So I think we left off. Moto 420 Television said, nice X3. Thank you. We love it. When we were at the Sand Show back in September of last year, 2016, we saw the triple black Can-Am out there at Burt's. We've been dreaming about it ever since. We wanted our Razor to be blacked out, so we did. We blacked out as much as we could, but we left some of the blue. It ended up, we liked the way it looked, so, it is a nice X3. Kilted Kingpin Studio a week ago. Have a blast this new year. Awesome. Thank you. Love when somebody, I love getting on here and seeing that you guys are just a part of, I don't know, I feel like a part of my life now, I look forward to getting on here. So thanks, I said, and right back at you. Hope yours was awesome. Hope you had great new year. You're seeing all of ours, and it was amazeballs. And I checked out your channel, dude. Awesome stuff. So good job. Benny, thank you. Benny's super nice. Like, it was just like, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So we had a little combo back and forth. And we did have a Merry Christmas. We did have a Happy New Year. Thanks again. Thanks for sending your well wishes. Like, it's much appreciated, really. Crazy bastard. Someone is happy. You guys can read that yourself. But yeah, you know what? Someone is. It's me. I'm happy. And I am a lucky bastard. Thank you. Scott Hall, which one's faster? Never had a Maverick. Well, Scott, we answered, right now we're hung up on the Maverick. And that's, you know, the wheel travel. 24 inches in the rear, 20 inches in the front. Polaris isn't there yet. They will be. That's the good thing about all this competition and about all these manufacturers, you know. They just keep upping the game, and that, you know, that benefits us, the rider, because we get to get all this cool stuff. And so right now Maverick, but we still love the Razor. You've seen her in the last couple videos. I keep going out there and just like giving her a little pat. We still love you, baby. Hopefully this month for my birthday we can take her with us to Pismo. Right now we're on the Mav. She's just, God, can't even go into it. Michael Grodelkin. Michael G. Hey, Michael G. Oh, that's right. He was headed out. So, see me, don't be a stranger. He has a 2017 X3 with the orange SDR cage and orange HCR suspension. Gave him kind of loose directions on where we were camped. And it was his first time to Glamis, so I didn't know if he was going to find us. I kept my eyes peeled for the cage and the suspension. Never saw you, though, Michael. First time in Glamis, so I gave him direction. Sorry, sorry I didn't stop by. My carrier bearing failed, so my trip got cut short. Dang it, Michael G, really? Didn't even really get any duning in, and that was his first time in Glamis. You know, it explains why we were so on it, man. You know, yeah, that makes sense. We rode for you, Michael G. Hope you guys have fun. Look me up on social media if you want to meet out there sometime. I will definitely look you up, Michael. Dang it, I'm sorry that happened to you. But now, you know, you have to be down here so you can really appreciate the ups. So next time in Glamis, I mean, if it wasn't badass enough already. Jay Torres, angry comment, enough said. Now send it. That's the one where we're joking around and talking about spanking those RZRs and Yamahas out in Pismo. Joking around is in like going, you know, just being a little instigaty. But we did spank them. I don't know what to tell you. So Darren's like, Razor or Yamaha? What do you have, Jay Torres? But we can talk crap because we have RZR too, so just giving everybody a hard time. We love all side-by-sides. Like I said, anything that goes fast and sounds like that, we're in. Michael Rhodes, post more videos. And we did. We're doing. It's happening all around you, so thanks. I'm glad you're enjoying, really. That made me smile. KWD57, I've never seen anyone make videos like the way you're doing them. Nice job. And I was like, man, thank you so much. So glad you like them. I read that and I'm like, babe, read this. I don't know. It's, to me, and what do you like specifically? What do you guys really like about the videos? What do you not like? Do you have suggestions? Do you have, you know, requests? You know, I said, tell me what to cut with my plasma cutter. Nobody responded, so I'm just going to cut a circle out. And that's going to be all of your fault. A circle. Lame. So, tell me what you like, though. I want to keep doing it. Let's see. Michael Rhodes. Yay, we love the sound. That's when I was out there gabbing away at the drags. I was trying to be quiet for like the 12 or 14 seconds that my body will allow me to be so that you guys could actually hear what was going on and all the, you know, like the engines revving and like just the sand flying and like the blow-off valves. Oh, my blow-off. So, I don't know. I'm glad you liked it. Danny says, cool videos. Thank you, Danny. We go to all the same places you guys go. Future BFFs, maybe. I'll make bracelets. And we love the lifestyle, too. Yeah, once you're in it, you know. Favorite place is Dove Springs and Jawbone Bar. We're from Hanford. Oh, we are close by, yeah. And Dove Springs, that's where we broke the Can-Am in. That was our first trip in the baby. They did New Year's at Jawbone. One of the other vids, you talked about Plasti Dip. Never heard of it. Oh, Plasti Dip. So amazing. Google it. We bought it at our local Pet Boys. And it was awesome, but, you know, I'll message you after this and tell you about it. Looking to upgrade to Razor 1000 Turbo because X3 won't fit in the toy hauler. Usually out every holiday. You guys seem to be out every weekend. Love it. The magic of movies. We go out as often as we can. We really do. X3 won't fit in the toy hauler. We were worried about the same thing. Okay, so we bought our toy hauler and we were like, the Razor has to fit. And of course the sales guys are like, oh yeah, definitely will fit. So we were like, well, you know what? Before we sign the paperwork, we're going to go get our Razor. So we brought her over on the flatbed and we drove her into the brand new trailer that was still on the lot, not ours yet, to make sure it fit. And it did, so we bought it. But the Can-Am, we were like, oh man. So we know everybody's trying to talk us into one. We already wanted one. And one of our friends is a contractor. We have a couple contractor friends, but this one dude, he's like, you know, I know somebody that can redo all the cabinets in your toy hauler. Ended up not coming to that. We took the oven door off. Darren ratchet strapped the front, like raised it up and lessened the footprint. But we, you know, we drove in Glamis this time. When he was pulling in, he's like, babe, do you know what we just did? We drove in with the paddles on. We would have to swap out the tires and do the dirt tires in the front. We could leave the paddles in the rear when we were going to tie down. But we drove in with the sand tires on in the front, paddles in the back, and the sand tires in the front, and it fit. It was like right there, like a glove. So ours is a 1913 Forest River Stealth. Double check, might fit. You might have to do some finagling, some Hoover maneuvers, but you could, maybe it'll fit. Swamp Ass, nice name. Like it. It makes me laugh every time I read it. Man, those sand dunes can be a little sketchy and not being able to see when going over hills. It is beautiful out there, though. I'll have to check out what the sand dune life is all about when I get something a little faster than my old Honda. Check it out. I encourage everybody to check it out. But you won't be able to stop. It's an addiction, so get ready. I'm sand addicted. Sand addicted. Whatever. Lane Black, good stuff. Me and my brother-in-law are running a paired 2017 X3 stock, and I'm happy with the power so far. Cool vid. That's where we are. Happy with the power so far. Watch the videos, though. I mean, there's a 2018 with a stage 1 tune that's getting ready to go to a 4, I think, now. 2018, the new one. And then there's that 2017, the Iron Man, and that one is the Evolution Power Sports tune and the 2018 tune. I'm not exact. I can't even. Just watch the videos, though, and tell me. I mean, they're awesome cars, but I'm happy right now with the stock one that we're running. I don't think we had a problem keeping up. Moto Vids. Hey, Dandi Offroad, would it be okay if I put this video in my new compilation? I'll give you full credit in the description. That was the We Rolled It video from back in the day. Our first ride in the Razor in Dumont, Valentine's Day, 2015. So romantic. I'll never forget it. So we, of course, yeah, let them use it. And Chaos Riders used it too, that same video. So I'm going to put a link up here to their, I'm going to add it to a playlist. And I'm going to put a link up here to their channel, which they have all kinds of, you know, the crazy crashes and all kinds of stuff. Anything moto related, you know. And so we're in there in that video at 5 minutes and 59 seconds. What? Yeah, so check it out. Check out our video too, the full video, and then check theirs out. Peto peto. I can't. I have to. I'm sorry. I hope that doesn't make you mad, but I like saying it like that. It makes me happy. Double B, you are something else. Keep up those awesome videos. That was the shorts one. Dude, thank you. Thank you. I think also that I'm something else. Like, just crazy weirdo. But I'm telling you, I don't like making fun of people. But really, like, Glamis, long socks. Okay, I do long socks. I'm a chick. But long socks, slippers, shorts, no shirt, vendor row. Around camp, maybe. Like, who are you camping with, you know? Maybe that's okay with them. But vendor row, like now... And he was all clean too. Like, you just got ready like that. You just got ready. So I had to point it out. Zane Turner, your buddy in the Iron Man colored car running with no clutch cover. Primary and secondary be toast in one season. I get trying to keep the belt cool, but sand will kill the clutches. Oh, Zane, yeah. You know, I passed this on to him, but trust me, we are well aware of killing a clutch. The RZR, we didn't know, you know. Until you know. You don't know until you know. Yeah, so we had to replace the clutch in there. So now we all are very, very cautious. We ride in the sand, we pop that clutch cover off, and we blow it off. Blow it out after every trip. Sometimes if it's a long trip, halfway through the trip. So he does the same too. Got the air compressors and all the blowers and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, definitely. So if anybody else is watching, like, you have to blow out that clutch. Ours was ruined $800 later. The little weights or whatever got lost. Oh, it's just a bad deal. I'll make a video about that someday, maybe. Jose, LOL, compressor needs to be out of the garage and make a wooden enclosure. Oh, the one where I set the fire? Listen, but then what would you be talking about? That is comedic value, dude. But we did talk about that before. It's just the way that our house is laid out. There's no way for us to put that on the side of the house, just the way things are. So we'd have to run that hose, we'd have to get a hose and run it all the way to the backyard around the house. And then I watched a bunch of, you know, we want to do it. We're not, I know there's expensive things that are made specifically to put, you know, the air hose in so it can travel or whatever, PSI rating, all this stuff. We're cheap and, you know, we do everything ourselves. We're not cheap, but we want to spend the money on something else. So we looked up all these different things and I don't know, it just seems a little to me, some of the stuff, people explosions, and it's fine where it's at. Typically it's not a problem. It's in the summertime only, 110 degrees. I had, you know, the swamp cooler on for part of the day. the lights. I'm running the, I had the welder plugged in, I think probably. I'm running the plasma cutter, obviously. I mean, it was just too much. So I just need to tick, 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 like turn off some things. It's like a video game, you know? It's a game, you get to play it. A Baron Boy. Am I saying it right? Okay, that's a first. Prius and Maverick owner. So Dean has a Prius Prime. So when driving the Maverick, do you make bad lane changes, pull out in front of people and drive real slow? He says sarcasm, by the way, and hilarious. With all the money that they save on gas, they can buy a bunch of accessories for the Maverick X3. Look at their car is loaded. Why do you think that is? Gas. Prius. Thank you, Prius, right? I mean, geez. But that's funny. Steve Lavagnac, awesome video, great job, makes me jealous, love the nighttime riding. Which one is that? Oh yeah, riding the drags at night. Oh, I love it too, it's my favorite. I wish I would have gotten some video of the ledge. It's like we were all over the place and we were there longer than we have been and we still didn't get everything. But we hit some stuff that we hadn't hit before, like the ceiling. I'm not even going to tell you everything because it's going to be a surprise. There's more videos to come. Random vids 3 minutes ago said, I respect anyone who drops any Polaris product for a Can-Am. It's a smart and wise move. No hatred to Polaris owners in general, just their products. Junk. They're ugly as sin also. All random vids. We still love our little RZR. I mean, like I said, we love the Can-Am. She can't hear me, so I'm going to say this. We love the Can-Am more. There, I said it. I said it. Okay? You guys made me say it. But, that car, you know, I just see us still being able to use it, like I said in that other video, like the kids driving it, and I agree with you. When we got ours, the first thing we were like, okay, the cage, it sits high, it looks like a freaking, I don't know, like a golf cart, I don't know, it just was not appealing. We were excited about the power and the possibility and like getting out there, but we needed to do some stuff to it. So I don't know if you've seen it, but we, you know, swapped out the doors, took off all the decals, so it didn't, you know, we didn't want it. We felt like it looked kind of like a Hot Wheels. So we peeled the decals off. We chopped the cage ourselves. We took 5 inches off the cage, and that definitely made a huge difference. We do new wheels and tires. You know, the roof, the mirrors, the side mirrors, the light bar, the whips, wired for radio. I mean, we did a lot of stuff to it to make it our own, and the RZR, and she looked nice in the end. She's pretty. She's not as, maybe not as pretty as her baby sister, but she's still pretty, you know, she's still got it. She's still got it. Alright guys, so that is all of the comments for now. I really appreciate you guys. Like, I can't, this is super, like I said, surreal. It is amazing to me. I just, you know, 173 subscribers now, so 27 away from 200. I'll do another video then on comments. I just like doing it. I'm going to try to put up a video every evening, like around sometime between 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. Everybody should be settled by then. I don't know, just me talking, rambling on about stuff that we've done, plans that we have, talking about car stuff, projects that we've worked on. We've done so much stuff, guys. I haven't even touched the surface. I'm going to post this in a little while. It's 5:02 now, so I'm going to give myself a couple hours. My videos aren't as like high tech as Darren's, like with all the, you know, transitions and music and stuff. That's my guy. So like I said earlier, you know, like it, just like it. Come on, you know, subscribe, definitely subscribe. And the little bell next to the subscribe button, ring it, hit it, click it, whatever, because then that notifies you when we post new stuff. So do those 3 things for me. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you. Have a good night.